In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom call to a Google Calendar event. This is a useful skill that can streamline your scheduling process, especially for virtual meetings. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you need to open your Google Calendar. Simply head over to your browser and access your Google Calendar by navigating to the usual URL or using any bookmarks you may have. Now, once you're on the Google Calendar page, you'll need to make sure you have the right add-ons to integrate Zoom. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you will find the settings icon. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Get Add-ons. This will take you to the marketplace where you can find various add-ons for Google Workspace. In the add-ons window, use the search bar to type in Zoom Google Workspace. As soon as you start typing, suggestions will appear. Find the correct add-on for Zoom and proceed to install it. You'll likely be prompted to authorize a few permissions to ensure the add-on works seamlessly with your calendar. Once successfully installed, you'll notice a new Zoom icon on the right-hand panel of your calendar interface indicating it's ready to go. With the add-on in place, it's time to create an event. Head over to the upper left corner of your calendar page. Here you'll see an option labeled Create. Click on it and choose Event from the list. This action will open a new window where you can set up all the details for your calendar event. In this window, you'll want to start by giving your event a descriptive title. Follow that up by selecting the specific date and time for your meeting. If you have any guests you'd like to join, you can add them here in the guests section by entering their email addresses. Also, feel free to specify a location and include a brief description of the meeting to give attendees more context about what the meeting is for. This comprehensive approach helps ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding the meeting's agenda and logistics. Now, a crucial part, adding the Zoom meeting link. Located near the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click this arrow and you'll find the option to select Zoom Meeting. Choose this option and your event will now have a Zoom link attached. Finally, after reviewing all the details and ensuring everything looks correct, hit the Save button. This will save your event in Google Calendar, complete with the Zoom meeting link, and invites will be sent to your guests. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding a Zoom call to your Google Calendar event. This method not only saves time but also integrates two powerful tools into one seamless workflow, making your scheduling tasks more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.